Guys, this is a homelite, a very freaking old one right here. It's a 17L. This is a bow bar. This thing's very rare. We got this at Gary's house, which is my dad's friend's house. It's pretty cool. We
gonna get it running.
Yeah, we're gonna get it running. And there's if you go here,
Chainsaw Collector Corner.
Yeah, there's this website called Chainsaw Collector Corner where you can look at numerous chainsaws. This is 17L. It's from 1954 to 1957. Right there, you see there. It's a pretty rare chainsaw.
Yeah, it's even older than I am.
Yeah. You were born in 68?
Yes, sir.
They have this Tonka truck. It's pretty cool. And
he had a pile of Tonka stuff.
yeah, Gary had a pile of Tonka trucks. This is my lamp. Wait, let me turn.
Hey, he had a Tonka cement mixer.
Hey, let me turn the lights off so you can see it good.
Wait up.
I want to see what it looks like in the dark.
What? Oh, your lamp.
Yeah, there you go. We have that light on. And then we have the look at that right there. It's a Harley Davidson. Right there's a motorcycle on it. It's the night light, which is this light at the bottom, which looks like that. You can turn it off, and there's a light. And we're gonna put this in my room and replace it with we're gonna replace that flower lamp.
Stick of flowers there.
Yeah, Nana put like a flower lamp in my room. Well, that's the end of the video. Bye bye.